Crazy, bro. They have so much oil. They actually save
Yes.
more oil than the Philippines because I think they use this.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
With tensions escalating in the Strait of Hormuz following America's latest threats, fears of global economic shockwaves are mounting once again.
Halimbawa, 4-day work week, that's 20%. Kung 45 days yung langis mo, because of managing the demand, magiging 54 days yan. Dahil kaya tayo nagtitipid sa paggamit.
So what are the math topics that you can extract on that video, Macrogins?
Well, if I bought the percentage.
Okay, one is percentage. What else?
And the fraction, the ratios, the inverse ratios like this.
It's very good, Mac. In terms of elementary, linear, it's a linear computation. Sabihin, you get the 20% of 45, which is 45 times 2, di ba? 0.2. Jeanette, so how much is that? 45 times 0.2?
9.
That's 9 days, di ba? Then the secretary added 2. It added to 45, it becomes 54. However, he had told at the last part of the video, consumption. Tama ba?
Yes po.
Paggamit. So
Kailangan matipid.
meaning there's another formula, okay, that you can use, which is in high school. The inverse that you said a while ago. So meaning, if he is consuming 100%, according to him, you would consume only 80%. So if you would be consuming 80%, the 54 days should not be the correct one. So how do you solve the it proper? Not multiply 20% to 45, but you need to divide 45 to 80%, which is 0.8. How much is that?
56.5.
Yeah, that is 56.25. Jeanette, percent, why did he get 54 instead of 56.25?
Halimbawa, 45 days. For 45 days plus blank percent equals 54 days. What is 20% of 45 days? 9, right? Now, if it's 9 days, to become 54 days, you need to add 9 from 45.
Okay.
Cheap term, when you add 20%, you need to say 54 days instead of 45 days. So 80% of 45. So 45 divided by 80% is 56.25. Instead of 45 times 20%, then plus it to 45 again equals 54. Or should be 45 plus 20% equals 54.
Can you see the difference? The first one is for elementary, and the second one is for
high school.
High school engineering concept.
Oh wait, yeah, I'm
Diba?
grade 7 now. Gas stations, diesel is literally the most expensive in the gas station, literally exceeding more than 100 pesos. Exceeds to like 90 pesos per liter, 80 pesos per liter.
So I think they better explain that properly, because if the price from 70 pesos per liter to around double is not logical based on the math formula, isn't it? If you consumption, so how can you relate that in your daily lives? maybe in days you have a maybe 20,000. 20% less on 20,000, di ba?
So, in number 2, the high school method, in 20,000 divided by 0.8, well, at least that should be, what do you call this one? 25,000.
25,000.
Yeah.
So 25,000. Then the other one, 15 days. This one, 25,000, 20,000 times 20%, that is 4,000.
Yes.
So you have a 1,000 peso.
Oh, yeah.
Tama ba?
Yes.
1,000 pesos. So meaning you reduce your spending 80% instead just saving 20% of the total. Di ba? Isn't that cool?
Yes.
So meaning if you're just saving 20% down, you didn't spend 1 or 2 days, di ba? Hindi ka
Oh,
bumili, di ba? You didn't spend 1 or 2 days. But here, you spend, but you just spend 80% from the original.
so does that
So I
mean,
think, meaning, which is better for you? You don't eat in one day, or you just eat every day 80% of the normal?
I eat 80% of the normal?
Okay, that's much better, di ba? So are you getting the
Yes.
concept of the two? So
Yes, I get
meaning,
it.
summarize, macrogen, what we did learn.
Well, we learned about oil crisis. Due to the shortage of oil, we have to save oil so that in the future we won't lose oil and should be, you know, gain oil if there's a chance. Well, in this topic called the shutting down and the reducing non-essentials, the first method is the elementary method where 20%, where you have to add 45 divided by 54, I mean. So 56.25 minus 54 equals 2.25. So that means you have saved 2.25 days more than the shutting down method. You know
So
what?
that's why,
In USA,
yes,
their oil is really crazy, bro. They have so much oil. They actually save
yes.
more oil than the Philippines because I think they use this. I think they use this
They use that? Yes, we should be using that. Oh,
too.
you,
You should be using that too.
you should be